Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run TikTok ads in the UK. First, navigate to the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now, reach the Profile tab in the bottom menu. Then, tap the three bars in the top right corner and select TikTok Studio. In TikTok Studio, you can find the analytics of your account. Scroll down and open the Promote option. Here, select your goal first, such as get sales. Next, tap More Website Visits to go to the Your Landing Page menu. From the options, choose Call for Action and enter your URL. After entering the URL, tap Save. Go back and tap Save to apply changes to your landing page. Then, choose the video you want to promote and select Creatives. Following that, select the Custom option to define your audience. To choose an audience, choose the gender, age, interest, and tap Save. Go back and select your budget by sliding the bar or edit it according to your requirements. Once confirmed, tap to select the duration of the ad. After that, preview the promotional ad or video. Once completed, tap the Recharge button. You must have at least a few coins in your balance to recharge it. Later, select the Recharge option and tap Recharge. Lastly, add the payment method by adding a credit or debit card. Finally, the TikTok ad can run on your account in the UK. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.